Hello there again, guys. So this is Windows Vista, but today we will be trying to install more apps, more up-to-date apps. You see, this version of Firefox is version 52.9.0, which released all the way back in March 2017. And if you take a look, what is the latest version of Firefox? It is version 131. No, wait, 132 is the latest version. So we're definitely behind a lot. However, we will be trying this thing called extended kernel, which is basically where you can take a kernel from a later version of Windows and put it into an earlier version, such as Windows Vista. So we're going to look up how to install extended kernel in Windows Vista. Alright, so we need to figure out how to install Windows Vista extended kernel. Right, so the unofficial Windows Vista 64-bit. I'm pretty sure we are running 64-bit Windows Vista, but let's figure out whether we are or not. We are running 64-bit Windows Vista. Okay, so as of right now, we need to try method 1, automatic installation. Copy your original kernel32.dll file. Okay, let's open File Explorer and do that. So it's going to be in System 32. I presume it is. Kernel32. Kernel32.dll. So we're gonna minimize this window so that it fits in half the screen. And you see, snapping wasn't a thing back then. You couldn't just snap the window to part of the screen. You have to do it manually, which is super annoying. Right, so I think we're just gonna have to leave the windows floating. So rename it to kernel ol.dll. Why is it taking so much to rename it? Wait, so we need to copy it to... Oh, okay, so we don't rename it here. So we copy it to system root. What do I mean no items match my search? So what are we looking for? We're looking for system root. It's wrong. System root / syswow. No items match your search, huh? What do we mean no items match? Right, download the installer. Right, so let's read this here. Hi all, I've decided to write my own batch installer for the extended kernel that automates a few steps. At the moment, it should be able to automatically trigger The batch installer requires a different configuration file attached for each release of the extended kernel to be installed. These are named in the same format as the zipped extended kernel.7z files. Okay, that means you have to install 7-zip, which is annoying. Well, I'm just going to install that anyway, just in case. I presume it still works with Windows Vista. There's no reason that shouldn't. Okay, I'm going to guess it still works. Okay, 7-zip is installed. Right, to use. Place setup. Right, so what did I download before? Okay, so we need to... Alright, so setup.bat. How? In the entire local disk there's no such thing as setup.bat. Okay, this could be a really long video. Oh my god, literally everything here is unavailable. None of these are available anymore, so we literally cannot follow this instruction. His account probably got deleted or something. We can't watch YouTube, can we? We can try run... We can try run Opera? I doubt it'll load. WinXP in Vista. I'm glad it knew what I was running. Unknown time remaining. What? How big is this file? It just keeps climbing. The size of it keeps climbing. This happens sometimes. Even in modern browsers, this happens. Okay, 35.9 megs. I'm pretty sure it's like Opera 36. So it's a very old version of Opera 2, but hey, if it can run YouTube, then that's a plus for me. Alright, so apparently Opera doesn't even work. So what browser are we going to use instead? Firefox we already have. Chrome. Supermium. Oh my god, we need Supermium. Supermium is literally Google Chrome, except it's for new devices, or for older devices. This is what we need. We need this if we want to watch YouTube. I like how it, without even clicking in, just tells you how long it's left in the download. I love how it's like updated to get the best of YouTube experience and the latest features, but it doesn't let you just skip that and use it without the latest features. Okay, come on, Supermium, you can do it. Come on, you can run. You can run. Yes, yes, yes. I don't know why they always have, like, that. Anyway, I don't know why I found it like that too. Right, install for current user. We're just going to create a shortcut. Save Windows XP. Save Windows 7. Well, you don't really save it, do you? The operating system is still insecure even if you're using a modern web browser like Supermium. This program installed correctly. Well, did it? I'm concerned now. Kind of concerned. Oh, there we are. It's just very slow because, to be fair, it is running like the most up-to-date version of Chromium. We're not going to set it as a default browser because we're barely going to use this for anything. Now, let's check what version of Chromium we are on. We're on version 126. I'm pretty sure the last version to support even Windows 7 was 109. Anyway, what did we want to look up? Oh yes, we wanted to paste this YouTube link. If playback doesn't start shortly.
Well, hello there guys, it's Wind Client here.
what we need to do is we need to make a folder. So we need to move. Right, so we need to make a new folder, right? New folder. We're going to call it Vista Extended Kernel. Okay. Now, we're going to copy. So yeah, we're going to open this zip file. Center. 7-zip. Open archive. Right, so we need to extract it to Vista Extended Kernel. Okay. Let's scroll down to the setup.exe and run it as admin. An OS built between 6003 and 6. C/Windows. I've got a feeling it's the wrong way around. Windows System 32. That just set it up. I've got a feeling that if we copy this into the system files, System 32, let's look for System 32. Right, so first of all we need to register ownership. Right, so we need to look up kernel 32. Okay, so we have kernel32.dll. And we're just going to paste that new. Why can't we paste it? So 1 megabyte big, but it's the file that controlled their entire OS. But they're updating the system, and if we try Firefox, we'll try Firefox 1.15. Because we maybe got our extended kernel upgraded to Windows 7. Okay, 4 gigabytes. You can absolutely afford to get rid of that stuff. Right, so of course. What? Okay, alright, so let's see if I can run this. Right, so, alright, this definitely doesn't work. meaning the extended kernel does not work. Okay, so we're now copying the items out. Brilliant. So now we can delete this whole Vista extended kernel folder. It's super annoying. Even though it's my own folder, it's in a system directory. So yeah. Oh. Oh, sorry, we're gonna have to restart the computer for updates. Okay then, we now have our updates installed. Finally, after nearly 5 hours. So, sadly, our extended kernel failed. I'd quite like community feedback from you guys, so if you know yourself how to run extended kernel within Windows Vista and run like modern apps, and like, did I do anything wrong? Am I using the wrong build? I'll just show you my system information on this thing so I can so there's WinVer. So yeah, you all saw me do like everything. Please tell me like if like what I did wrong, how come it didn't install. Just yeah, I'd love community feedback from you guys. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Peace.